Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 of the best movies that will make you smarter. A Beautiful Mind. This biographical film is based on the real-life story of Nobel laureate and mathematician John Forbes Nash, who is credited with the economic theory called the Nash equilibrium. The brilliant mathematician also suffered from severe paranoid schizophrenia. What sets this Oscar-winning film apart from other movies on Netflix is that it depicts the life of schizophrenic patients like. That is not to be missed in the Eddie Redmayne starrer The Theory of Everything. It is based on the real-life story of theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking. The film focuses more on the man's personal life, his major breakthrough achievements such as dark matter and the black hole theory. This movie also gives a glimpse into the painful world of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis.
But I love him.
2001: A Space Odyssey. If we were to compare all the mind-bending movies on Netflix, this one takes the cake. And the reason why you will feel smarter after watching this is due to the extensive research that will follow post only one viewing of this Stanley Kubrick flick. It wouldn't be a stretch to say all other space films being made today aspire to have the scientist accuracy that is 1968 classic had. The Martian. In this 2015 film, Matt Damon gets stranded on Mars following a space mission with very few supplies that he must last till NASA sends a team to rescue him. This Oscar-nominated title the best survival movies out there.
Lower chance of killing 6.
Spotlight. It's almost like taking a course in investigating journalism as the Spotlight team at the Boston Globe exposes several sexual assaults of minors at the hands of some Roman Catholic priests and their cover-ups. Among all the true crimes on Netflix, this Oscar-winning movie is one that can't be missed.
Until we all get on the same page.
The Founder. Another great Michael Keaton movie is The Founder. This movie too is the real story of how Ray Kroc, a struggling salesman, struck gold when he came across a family-run burger and chips joint that he is today known as McDonald's. Ray Kroc shows how to spot a good idea, trust it, and most importantly, sell it.
Is owning the land upon
corporation.
It's its own separate company.
Hidden Figures. Not many know that behind the first human American space flight in 1962 were 3 American African women who made contributions despite facing discrimination based on their sex and race. Watch it for the mathematician in you.
This is about inventing the math. Because without it,
A few weeks, we don't have the math figured out yet.
There's no
Prestige. Christopher Nolan's films tend to get our brain engines running, and The Prestige is no exception. This psychological thriller tells the story of 2 friends turned foe magicians who sacrifice everything to beat the other and garner fame. Though it is a fictional story, the film shows you just how wild human imagination can get.
Shows you something ordinary.
The Great Hack. Among all the documentary movies on Netflix, The Great Hack is probably the most important one to watch in today's time. The documentary is based on the Cambridge Analytica scandal of 2018, where it was revealed that the details of millions of Facebook users were collected by the firm without consent for political advertising in 2016.
Surpassed oil in value.
Snowden. Another addition to the movie based on true story category is Snowden, based on, as you can guess from the title, the life of American whistleblower Edward Snowden. The US government accused him of espionage in 2013 while he worked with the National Security Agency. Since the scandal, he has been granted asylum in Russia. The movie stars Joseph Gordon-Levitt in the titular role.